My name is Ross Beckley. One of my responsibilities as a Chief Investment Officer here at High Street is to manage the investment process, which is integral in driving fund performance and ultimately returns for our clients. Today, I'll be introducing Highway, our in-house investment process. Highway leverages automation to analyze and evaluate investments on a scalable basis. It consists of 4 phases. Firstly, the research team seeks investment opportunities and conducts a cursory analysis on successful candidates. Next, the investment committee comprehensively assesses the case for inclusion in our universe, which is capped at 300 companies. Once an attractive investment has been identified, it is appraised to establish the return potential. Lastly, fund holdings and companies of interest are tracked daily to determine if further action is appropriate. Let us dive into the first phase of the process. This is where emphasis is placed on idea generation. Multiple sources are considered to pinpoint high potential investments. The benefits of Highway become apparent. Potential investments are screened to establish their underlying fundamental value. Our research analysts pay particular attention to top-line revenue growth to establish if capacity exists to continue on trend while simultaneously operating at appealing margins. The combination of these factors is often indicative of the company's competitive edge in their respective markets, which is often reflected in the return on invested capital metric. These returns must translate into free cash flows over the near term. Balance sheet strength enables a company to weather momentary economic downturns and allows for additional capital to be deployed in new or existing ventures. Aligning this combination of financial metrics enforces and can even enhance a company's competitive standing. Following a successful review, qualifying candidates advance to the assessment phase of the process. The potential investment is assigned to one of our research analysts to conduct a thorough investigation to ascertain if the company's fundamentals are likely to be sustained or improved upon. This includes consulting multiple sources, such as publicly available company data, as well as paid-for research from leading firms. The final report outlines a recommendation to be received by the investment committee. Discussion and open debate form a cornerstone of our assessment. The investment committee is comprised of several qualified and experienced investment professionals. They are tasked with scrutinizing the analyst's final report and findings presentation. Following rigorous debate, a final verdict is reached on the admittance of the investment into our capped investable universe. A positive assessment by the investment committee sees the opportunity move on to the appraisal phase. Here, we conclude if a promising company translates into a promising investment opportunity. This is where Highway has the most to offer. Our internal valuation model is premised on purchasing compounding cash flows adjusted for applicable risk factors at a price below what is justified by the growth potential. The investment committee serves another vital role in critiquing the valuation model assumptions whilst incorporating a margin of safety. The result is a comprehensive appraisal on the investment. With the investment committee's stamp of approval, respective fund managers consider if the investment warrants inclusion given its risk-return profile and adherence to the respective fund mandate. The final stage of the process is to track all company-specific news and results presentations on an ongoing basis. All company announcements are reviewed by the assigned research analyst and shared with the investment committee. Price action of the investment is monitored on Highway, along with company fundamentals, changes to the original valuation assumptions, and ultimately if the investment still offers attractive return potential for our clients.